Hey YouTube, your favorite YouTuber here, ENStrip48 is here, showing you on why is there a Jeff Gordon hat covered by stuff. Well, if you guys been wondering what I just said, like if you guys are wondering like that, well, here's the thing. Drift Car Racing Series is not going to be on a race this weekend, but there will be another sign up. And I got 3 good cars. So here they are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, let's focus. Bam! 3 good cars. You get the number 6 yellow car. It's the wait, hold on. The Nervo Hamler. No, the Narv Hamler. And you get this burning key cars. I just got that thing 3 years. You get this Street Speeder, number 29. I put a Sharpie in it. Finally, you get this car. And it says Rapid Transit. So you got 3 good looking cars, and they'll be on race 4. And then hopefully you guys can sign in. It'll be closed if all of these guys sign. If it's closed, if there's cars taken, don't ask to get new cars, because that'll be after race 6, something like that. And this is NASCAR48. Good luck and sign up and good luck. Goodbye. Wee.